BenQ GS50 Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. The projector is very quiet. Black levels are solid for a projector. Great base and fill a space well, even outdoors. The pictures it projects are very clear. It is great backyard fun. Nice screen. The built-in speakers sound amazing. Tripod mount and kickstand for easy setup. The sound is very good. It is very easy to use. It is great for any warmer nights. The outer material is rubbery and durable. A small tripod is handy. HDR content looks nice. Picture quality is great. Great investment for outdoor entertainment. More than bright enough in dark settings. Very pleased with purchase. It is a good quality projector undoubtedly. The color scheme is unique and fun. Cons. Not something that would be used in daylight. The lack of any type of zoom. You may need a screen to get the full effect. That's it, please like and subscribe.